The National Institute for Children's Health Quality, also known as NICHQ, developed the NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment scale back in 2002 in order to assess any possible ADHD in children and help when it comes to determining if they should be diagnosed with ADHD or not. What the assessment scale will attempt to pinpoint is if ADHD is affecting the child's academic performance as well as their general behavior. The scale has a questionnaire with items related to possible anxiety, depression, impatience, defiance, and more. It comes in two versions, one for teachers and one for parents. We focus on the version for parents for this guide, which is a 55-item questionnaire. The following healthcare practitioners can use the NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment scale for parents for their respective practices: pediatricians, psychologists, psychiatrists, and psychotherapists. To use our free NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment scale, follow these steps. Download our free NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, have the parents answer the questionnaire. The questionnaire is answered using two different rating scales. Items 1 to 47 must be rated on a scale of 0 to 3, meaning never to very often, and items 48 to 55 must be rated on a scale of 1 to 5, meaning excellent to problematic. Next, record the scores. Using the scoring system on the worksheet, record the scores of the parents' answers. Before making a diagnosis, you must also take note of the following designations: predominantly inattentive subtype, predominantly hyperactive impulsive subtype, and ADHD combined inattention or hyperactivity. Next, diagnosis and plan. The next part is making a diagnosis and making a care plan. Make sure to tailor fit the plan to the child by basing it on the ratings in the questionnaire. Lastly, issue a follow-up if needed, then plan accordingly based on the results. You may also reissue this, especially if they're taking medicine. This is so you can monitor them for any improvements and see if your care plan is working. The parents simply need to do the same thing, but this time, there are only 26 items to rate. They must also indicate if their kid experiences problems like headaches, trouble sleeping, and being listless. Here is a sample of our NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our NICHQ Vanderbilt assessment scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.